Hi, how are you?
Um, I'm fine.
Good. And what is your name?
My name is Kelly.
Hello, guys. And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. And what is your hobby, guys?
I like drawing.
Drawing. So this is your speaking test.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, good. And can you tell me, please, where's he from?
He from Britain.
Yeah, where's she from?
She from Vietnam.
Yeah,
She from America.
very good.
He from Australia.
Very good.
She from Singapore. He from Malaysia. She from Thailand. She from Japan.
Very good. Okay, who's this?
Kate is 9 years old. He from Thailand. He likes swimming. Sarah is from Singapore. She is 10 years old. She likes cooking. Teacher Miss Linda is from America.
Yeah,
Alan is from Australia. He is 10 years old. He likes drawing.
very good. Very good. And can you tell me, what time is that, please?
It's 9:15.
Yeah,
It's 7:30.
yeah,
It's 3:20.
yeah.
It's 12 o'clock.
Perfect. Very good. And could you tell me about your daily routine, please? So what happens?
Get up,
Yeah,
wash face,
yeah,
brush my teeth,
yeah.
have breakfast,
Very good.
get dressed,
Yeah,
go to school,
yeah.
have lunch, have dinner, do homework,
Very good.
go to bed.
Fantastic. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so can you tell me what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
6:30. What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:15.
Good. And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, and can you tell me what do you do on a Monday, please? What do you do on Monday?
I study at school and do homework.
Very good. And what do you do on a Wednesday?
I play football and study at school.
Very good. Okay, and can you tell me, please? These are the months of the year. So
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
very good. Okay, and can you tell me what drinks these are, please? So what is that?
It's smoothie.
Very good.
It's soda.
Yeah,
It's juice.
very good. Thank you. And can you tell me what food and snacks you can see here, please? So what are these?
It's chips.
Yep,
It's apples.
very good.
It's popcorn.
Very good.
It's pizza.
Very good. Which ones of these are healthy? Which is a healthy snack?
It's watermelon
Yes?
and banana.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Good. And can you tell me, please, what foods can you see here? So what are these?
It's cookies.
Very good. What are these?
It's cake.
Good. What's this?
It's sausages.
Yes, sausages.
Sausages.
Sausages, yeah.
It's chicken.
Very good.
It's chilies.
Good. Which one do you like?
I like chicken
Yeah.
and birthday cake.
With chicken and birthday cake. Very good. Thank you. And could you tell me about your birthday party, please? So when is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
Yeah. And
I have a birthday party at my home. My family and my friends come to my party. I want to eat some pizza and birthday cake.
very good.
I want to drink some milk tea and milk.
Very good.
I get many presents from my family and friends.
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 Yeah.
We sing a happy birthday song. We play games.
Good.
We take photos together.
Very good. So it's a nice birthday day. Yeah?
Yes.
Good. Thank you very much. That's great. Well done. Thank you.